Hi everyone! Are you tired of opening your suitcase to find a mess of wrinkled clothes and mixed up items? If so, you're not alone. Packing for a trip can be a real hassle, but the good news is that there are two popular methods that can make your life a lot easier: packing cubes and rolling clothes. In this video, we'll take a look at the pros and cons of each method so that you can decide which one is right for you. Now let's dive into the depths of this video. Packing cubes are small, collapsible containers that you can use to organize your clothes and other items in your suitcase. They come in a variety of sizes and materials, and can be used to separate your shirts from your pants, your socks from your underwear, and so on. This makes it easy to find what you're looking for, and helps to keep your clothes from getting wrinkled. Rolling clothes is another popular packing method that involves tightly rolling each item of clothing and stacking them neatly in your suitcase. This method saves space and helps to prevent wrinkles, and it's especially useful for lighter items like t-shirts and pants. When you roll your clothes, you can see everything you have packed and access it easily, making it easier to find what you need on the go. Now, let's take a look at the pros and cons of packing cubes. One of the biggest advantages of packing cubes is that they help you organize your clothes and keep your suitcase neat and tidy. They also protect your clothes from getting squished and wrinkled, and they can be used to separate dirty clothes from clean clothes, making it easy to keep everything clean and organized. However, packing cubes can be a bit more expensive than other methods, and they can also take up more space in your suitcase. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of rolling clothes. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that it saves space in your suitcase. When you roll your clothes, you can pack a lot more into your suitcase, making it ideal for long trips or trips where you need to pack a lot of items. Rolling clothes also helps to prevent wrinkles, and it's a quick and easy method that doesn't require any special tools or supplies. However, rolling clothes can be a bit more time-consuming than packing cubes, and it can be difficult to see everything you've packed and access it easily. Before deciding on which method to use, it's important to consider your travel needs. If you're going on a long trip, you may want to opt for packing cubes so that you can keep your clothes organized and separated. On the other hand, if you're only going for a few days and want to save space in your suitcase, rolling clothes may be the better option. Additionally, if you're traveling with delicate or fragile items, you may want to consider using packing cubes to protect them from getting damaged. If you're not sure which method is best for you, why not experiment with both? Try packing a few items using both methods and see which one you prefer. You may find that you like the organized look of packing cubes, or you may prefer the space-saving benefits of rolling clothes. The key is to find what works best for you and your individual travel needs. Both methods have their own advantages and disadvantages, and the best one for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Whether you're packing for a long trip or just a weekend getaway, these methods can help you keep your clothes organized and prevent wrinkles, making your trip more enjoyable. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.